Hello, everyone, and welcome for our sixth webinar session. We had some break during the summer, but we are very happy now to host a very exciting webinar where I will be together with Benoit from Heex Technologies, with our customer success manager. Benoit will say a few words about himself before we start.
Hello everyone. So I'm Ben from Heex Technologies, acting as a customer success manager for now 3 years, helping our users during the onboarding and also the support.
Thanks a lot. So, what we're going to do today is we're going to talk about how we can use our platform to um, extract significant event insight from an existing data set, more specifically a ROS bag. For that, we have a demo that Benoit prepared. We recorded that demo in order to avoid any issues with connectivity and so on, so that we can really maximize this time. So we will launch that demo during the webinar. Before we do that, I'm going to do a quick intro about Heex for people that are new to our product, just to give you the key concept. And of course, if you want to go through more details, you will be able to go in the former webinar that are still available on our website. And after the presentation, Benoit will show you just the UI of the platform, the key features. We do the live demo, and then we are there at the end for Q&A. I'm actually now launching the Q&A. And feel free to ask questions during the webinar, and we will be able, hopefully, at the end to go through some of them. So before we dive into the actual product demo, just a reminder about what Heex Technology can provide on the market. We work with several companies now in autonomous driving, in ADAS, in robotics. All of them are dealing with a massive amount of data. The way this data is collected today can be very cumbersome. It takes a lot of time. Imagine, robots moving, collecting events, and having to upload everything, and then all that data mining process can take a few days, even a few weeks. With Heex Technologies, you can have a software agent that you can deploy directly in the robot at the edge that will capture those very interesting scenarios, events inside directly during the operation, and then push those events, those recordings, either to the engineering team or even live during the operation as a supervision mode. So that basically give you the data that you need almost in real time, automate the entire pipeline, and reduce significantly the workload in processing all this data. And here, as we mentioned, it can be something that can be deployed at the edge directly in the robot, or you can also use our software agent to replay an existing recording in the cloud. And that will be the purpose of today's demo. Is like you already have historical data that you need to process. It can be 30 minutes, an hour, a few hours of driving of your robots collecting data, and you want to have a very efficient way to access what is meaningful from that recording. To do that, we have our software agent that will be running and deploy on the system, again, either in a server in the cloud or directly in the embedded system. And then you have a UI, a platform that provides you with key features for analytics, reporting, data triage, tagging, the triggering approach where you basically specifically decide what you want to record can be also updated over the air. You can receive live notifications. All of that, you're going to see some of it during today's demo. And from a product standpoint, you have different ways of interacting with our product through this UI by defining a trigger. That's what Benoit is going to show you today with a very basic triggers data signal that is going to trigger a recording. We have also a CLI, an API that enables you to integrate the tools in a much more comprehensive tool suite. And we also have launched Heex Copilot, which is a way to interact with our product in a natural language way, as you would do for a ChatGPT or any other um, language LLM on the market. So very efficient also to get reports, to interact with the tool, create new trigger scenarios, and so on. Before you share your screen, Benoit, let me continue to do a few um, highlights. In terms of integration, we talked about the agent. The agent includes monitors and recorders. They will basically integrate to any kind of architecture. You will just need to declare what are the data source and what kind of signals they produce. So a CAN bus can provide information such as speed, acceleration. Computer vision could provide information about object detection, about the confidence level for that detection. You could obviously connect LiDAR, radar, all the sensor suite, and even API in order to fully provide additional context to your system. There is no limitation uh, of connecting those signal with our kernel, with our software. The only limitation of the software then would be what kind of signals you have. So once you create that framework, then it becomes very easy to use our cloud solution in order to trigger any kind of recording scenarios, even by updating that trigger over the air from the cloud to the edge. And when you are on ROS, which is a very popular framework in robotics, then that implementation that I just described can be very seamless. We developed a feature called resource data automation that helps you to scan your ROS bag, identify the topics, and the implementation of these monitors and recorders will be completely automated through that feature that you can launch. That will help you to basically start with our platform immediately without having to write any line of code. So the the bottom line is that we can work with any kind of architecture. But if you are on ROS, the implementation effort are almost none because we have that seamless integration. So to conclude that, let's say, introduction, of course, we have now the whole industry understand that when you need to scale your operation, when you start to have your robots operating on the road, in a manufacturing plant, on a river, drone that are doing site inspection and so on, you can't continue to upload all the data, collect everything, and process it. It doesn't make sense, and it doesn't provide all the, let's say, tools and features that you need, such as live notification about specific scenarios. So that approach, that smart data approach, I think is well understood from the market when we are talking about scaling operation and deploying the agent at the edge. What I think is very interesting for you to understand today that you can already prepare your fleet to have that smart data approach even during the R&D stage. A lot of our customers are using our software during the R&D phase. They record everything. They still need to have access to everything. But with our software, they have a much faster way to extract the valuable insight from all these recordings, right? So you get the best of both worlds, and you actually prepare continuity in building a pipeline that will be scalable for the future of your operation. So we're going to show you today, again, how we can extract from an existing recording in the cloud all the valuable insight that you can get from your system. Benoit, the stage is
Yes,
yours and you want to share the platform.
yes. Let me- Okay, so before showing the video, let me just give you a quick overview on the web platform. So first, we have a dashboard. It helps you to summarize all the systems that are already registered to the web platform, the data sources and the triggers, and so on. We have also
Alors,
some information
Benoit,
related.
I'm not sure we see your screen actually.
I'm sharing my screen. Uh,
If someone in the audience can tell me if
yeah.
you see. Just want to make sure that
Yeah.
we.
I have information saying that I'm sharing.
Okay. Okay. Well then.
Okay.
We,
Okay.
no, we can't see your screen. Now
Oh,
we can. Okay. Now we can.
okay.
Sorry about that.
So let's have this quick overview. So the dashboard, as I said, is the place where you have a summary on all the systems, data sources, and triggers that are already online on your web platform. And also, if you have generated event recently, then it will be you will be some extra information at this place. Then for the two next pages, these pages are for people who are analyzing the existing event. So event generated in real time, if you are using the solution at the edge, or also from a recorded bag, which is what we will talk about later. And in the analytics page, you will have some possibility to filter out your events based on the system that generated the different events, the triggers, and also some extra informations. And in addition to the information related to how many events were generated per day, you also have the location of all these events. It can be on the road or in your manufacturing. And the smart data page is where you have all the events, not only the event from a specific date range, but all every event that have been generated. Then you have extra pages who are pages to configure a new system, a new data source, a new trigger. So you can have a list of your existing systems. You can click on this button to create a new one. And the data sources, so it's all the different signals that are available and on which it's possible to create a condition. The list of the triggers, that you have already created and that are attached to a system. And this is also the place where you can edit your trigger condition. We will see it during the video. And I will not talk about the implementation for today. So that's it for the quick overview on the web platform. So now let's have a look to the 20-minute recording showing how to extract data from an existing bag. And you will see that it will be very fast. So see
Thank,
you in 20 minutes.
thank you, Benoit.
Hi, I'm Ben from Heex Technologies. In this video, I'm going to explain one of our tutorials. Note that you can do it by yourself by reaching our website, heex.io, and start your free trial. Once in your own workspace, you can find the walkthrough of the tutorial in the documentation. Quick Start RDA. RDA stands for Resource Data Automation. This is an efficient and no-code way to process your ROS bags. Among the benefits, all the generated events will be automatically classified and tagged based on your scenario. We call it triggers. It will be fast. We are processing your bag at maximum speed. Let's have a look to the bag that we will use for our demo. We are providing a sample, which is a recording from 2021. This is a 30-minute long bag, and it will be processed in few seconds, as you will see later. So you can see that we have different topics. A Boolean one to illustrate when the car was running autonomously or manually. The GPS to see the location, so the drive will start inside Paris and go in the suburb of Paris. And we have the IMU, and for the demo, we will monitor this signal, which is IMU angular velocity.x, with a threshold of 0.15. It means that every time the signal will pass this value, an event will be generated inside the platform. Okay, let's start. First, if you don't have an Ubuntu machine, you can use multipass to create a virtual machine and to proceed. First, you will have to generate an API key for security reason. So go to the web platform, API keys menu, create one, and you can copy it. Then you will have to download the script, a basic one or advanced one, whatever. After the download of the script, you can change the mode to be executable. And this script will be used to create a system, so vehicle or robot, a data source associated to this system, and a trigger. So let's check what we have right now. We have two systems into our web platform, 5 data sources, and 2 triggers. So now we will have to launch the script, because I already downloaded this small script, using the API key as a parameter. Okay. So it will take less than a minute, and I will explain after that what you can see. Okay. So let's go to the beginning. So first, the MCAP file I presented to you just 2 minutes ago will be downloaded. We are using an MCAP file to generate a data source, because this is an easy and automatic way to extract all the existing topics and signals inside each topic, compared to having to create all the signals by hand. So first, a system is generated. I will copy the unique ID of the system. And then a data source is created and populated by all the signals from the file. So you can see, for instance, the IMU orientation.x signal, or the angular velocity.x signal, which is the one that we will use in our trigger. We have also signals coming from the GPS, latitude, longitude. Okay, TF static, the frame is not useful now. And another topic, which is the Boolean topic, to check if the vehicle is driving autonomously or manually. So 5 topics have been extracted and 57 signals. TF static was ignored. Okay, and then a trigger is created. We will see later in the web platform. And that's it. So let's go back to the web platform to compare before the launch of the script. Now we have an extra system. And also an extra data source. You can see all the signals that have been imported using the sample ROS bag. Of course, it works for standard and also custom topics. And an extra trigger. If we go back to system, and if I open the window for the system, so we can see that we have one data source attached to this system, which is the one we have just generated, and also a trigger. this trigger, as explained previously, has only a threshold, and every time the signal will be above 0.15, then an event will be created on the web platform. And for this first try, we'll just record this value once. Okay. And the last section is called implementations. This is the reason why we call it the no-code version to extract events from ROS bags. Because the RDA monitor and RDA recorder are two built-in agents, so already delivered, and they will be able to subscribe to the topics we are monitoring or recording. As we only had two signals into our trigger, then we have two implementations, one to monitor the angular velocity.x and one to record the Boolean value for autonomous driving or not. Okay, so we only have to do this to launch this script once, because now everything has been generated into the web platform, but no event have been created, because this will be the next step. Okay, so if you need to install Docker, you have all the line to proceed. Okay. The command line interface is something that we are delivering. It's a way to programmatically create almost everything. For instance, to create a system, to create a data source, and so on. And also to execute some commands. So now we'll use this command, more precisely this one. This is a command to replay a recorded bag. Okay, so you copy this command and you put it in your console. Okay, and to proceed, we need to enter the system ID and the API key. So the system ID is the one you can copy there. And you are already familiar with the API key. Okay. So this command, the SDK replay, is what we call the accelerated RDA, so RDA ROS bag replay. And it will prepare everything to configure the Docker for the first time, and later it will be the second time it will be shorter. Okay, so you can see that Docker configuration occurs at the beginning. Okay, and you will see the second time I will launch the command, it will be faster. And now we know that we have created 20 events based on the configuration of the trigger already generated in the previous step. Okay, so let's go back to the web platform. And now you can see that we have 20 events. The events were generated with a timestamp of 2021, which was the date of the recording. Okay, and we can have a look on one event. Okay, we have some information related to this specific event, and it's also possible to visualize the recorded bag. So this is a very short one, because only this Boolean value was recorded. Okay. So now what we will do is to modify a little bit this trigger. So first, I will edit the trigger to add extra signals. So let's record the GPS, and I will record a range of minus 10 seconds and up to 5 seconds after the event. I will also add the IMU, range recording, and I will also add again the Boolean, but this time as a range recording, and that's it. So for this new test, I keep the same threshold, but I will add a cooldown period. The cooldown period is a way to prevent the recording of multiple events at a specific moment. Sometimes the signal is oscillating around the threshold, and instead of generated maybe dozens of events at the same period of time, we will only record one, and for the next 20 seconds, we will not record any new event. After 20 seconds, it will continue the normal way. Okay, let's save the modified trigger. Okay, so now let's go back to the replay. So I don't need to download again the script, and also the Docker will be already configured. So the configuration will be updated over the air. I will explain everything once it will be finished. Okay, the replay is starting. So remember, this is a 30-minute long ROS bag, and you can see that it is played in only a few seconds. After that, the agent is uninstalled, and that's it. Okay, so let's go back to the beginning of the second play. Okay, so the beginning is exactly the same. We are preparing everything. The Heex installer is downloaded and will collect the last version of the agent with the updated configuration, and then the replay are started, and everything is uninstalled at the end. You can see that this time only 11 events have been generated. This is related to the cooldown period of 20 seconds. So let's go back to the smart data menu, and you can see that now we have 31 events. Okay. And I will do another test. So let's go back to the trigger. And now I will change the threshold. If I show you again the screen copy of the signal, so for the moment the threshold was at 0.15, and now let's choose 0.2. So you can see that we are supposed to generate less events. Okay, so one more time, I will just edit the value. That's it. And I will add a key. So we are calling this feature labels. Test webinar test 3. Okay, and that's it. Let's start again the replay. So the updated agent is downloaded, then installed. Okay, after around 10 seconds of replay, we can see that 4 events have been generated, and that's it. So let's go back to the list of events, and I will use the label test webinar with the value test3. And so this is an easy way to just filter out the last event that I have generated. Okay, and I can open one of them. Okay, so you can see the location, the location of this recording. So the moment, the location where the event happened. You can see that we reach the 0.2 threshold for the angular velocity.x at 10, because the round recording was 10 seconds before the event and 5 seconds after the event. So we have a 15 seconds long extracted ROS bag. And so our signals are displayed, and we have recorded these 3 topics. Can open another one. Okay. You can of course replay bag. Okay. So that's it for the demo showing how to quickly replay a 30-minute long ROS bag. And in around 10 seconds, we are able to extract the events based on the scenario, so the trigger that was defined for this tutorial. And of course, you can use this sample with your own ROS bag.
Well, thank you very much, Benoit, for this this demo. I think it was very educational, and for people that have been following us and understood how they could leverage the tool, it was a very good practical way of using a simple trigger in order to extract event, showing how we can seamlessly do the implementation with the ROS bag and the RDA, then update the trigger to get new threshold and quickly get the new data that you need. And all of this was done in a few seconds or few minutes if you consider the configuration. So I think it was great for the people in the audience to see. Sometimes massive rollback could take like ages to be processed. That's a very easy way to do. And what the agent is doing with the trigger on a replay, again, can be done directly live at the edge, directly from your system, which brings even more value when you start scaling your fleet or when you need live notification about specific triggering event scenarios.
Yes, exactly. And the configuration on the web platform side is exactly the same if you are collecting data from a real vehicle or if you are replaying a ROS bag, because basically we are subscribing to ROS topics. So whenever the nodes are in real time or replayed, it will be exactly the same to generate events. And what is was also interesting in this video was to show the iterative process, meaning you have a trigger and then you modify the trigger, you record maybe more topics, you change the threshold. Of course, we have seen a trigger with only one condition, but be reminded that it's possible to have a more complicated trigger with conditions coming from maybe computer vision, over signals from the IMU, or also maybe from an API. So you can do something very more complicated. And as said at the end of the video, the quick start RDA that is available in the documentation, so the one I use for this video, is compatible with also your own ROS bags. And to anticipate questions, um, it's also possible to support custom topics. So it means that if you source the folder containing all the description, the definition of your custom messages, then it will be possible to create a condition based on your own custom messages. So we can see some question.
Yeah, I think you raised a few good points. There are a few questions I'm gonna put on stage. Oh, one question was, is it possible to run a replay with multiple triggers at the same time? Not like one trigger this time, but yeah.
Yes, of course, yes. So for this sample, only one trigger was created. But if you are creating extra triggers attached to the same system, of course, it's supposed to be attached to the same system. Then, when you will replay the bag, all the triggers will be taken into consideration, and event will be generated uh, all together, and it will be possible to filter out the generated events on the web platform using the trigger filter on the dedicated pages. So yes, you can trigger multiple conditions and situation scenarios at the same time.
Yeah, you get multiple triggers, and all of these triggers could have multiple conditions within the trigger.
Yes.
Exactly. Another question that we have: do we support signals that use dynamic lists?
Yeah, this is something that we are adding currently. So soon it will be available. So it means that sometimes you have some signals where the length of the message is different from one message to another. For instance, for computer vision, if you have a message with only one pedestrian, you will have the information for pedestrian. But if later you have a message saying, okay, we have identified two pedestrian and two bicycles, for instance, then the size of a message is different. So it was not supported yet, and it will be soon available, and so it will be possible to you to use this kind of messages.
Thank you. Looks like we had one last question, uh, which is: do we need to enter the API key for every command, or could we store it for good once?
Yeah. So as you saw in the console, when I was using the CLI for security reason, we are adding the API key for each command. But there is also a command in the CLI which is a command named login. So if you log at the first time, then for the next CLI command, it will be not necessary to add the API key. So it's possible to have less parameter to add in your command line.
Thank you, Benoit. That was all of the questions that we had so far. I guess you covered a lot already in the demo, so thanks a lot for that again. Um, we remain available for any question that you might have. My contact is on the screen. We will have a next webinar, which will be actually in October, and then another one in November. In October, we will be actually joining the ROSCON 2025 in Singapore. We have a booth there, so for anyone interesting to dive a little bit further with us, we could meet there. Otherwise, we remain available to discuss with you your challenges, your architecture, and there is a free trial version of our software that is available on our website. Feel free to use it. Start the tutorial on your own. Upload your own bag. Do what exactly Benoit did during the demo today, and see the benefit for yourself. We'd love for you to basically try out our tool and get your feedback. That being said, I'd like to thank you, Benoit, for your time for this great product demo.
Thank you guys also for watching, and feel free to contact us if you have extra questions and to test the solution.
Thank you, everyone, and stay tuned for the next webinar. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Bye bye.